World War I, also known as the Great War, was a global conflict that lasted from July 28, 1914 to November 11, 1918. It was one of the deadliest conflicts in history, resulting in significant political, social, and economic changes worldwide. Here's a brief overview. Causes. 1. Militarism. The arms race and military buildup among European powers created tension. 2. Alliances. Rival alliances. The Allied powers, France, Britain, Russia, later joined by the US, and the Central powers, Germany, Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Empire, and Bulgaria, meant that a conflict between two nations could quickly escalate. 3. Imperialism. Competition for colonies fueled rivalries, particularly between Britain, France, and Germany. 4. Nationalism. Intense national pride and ethnic tensions, especially in the Balkans, contributed to unrest. 5. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. The immediate trigger of the war was the assassination of the heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne by a Serbian nationalist in Sarajevo on June 28, 1914. Key events. 14. The war began with Germany's invasion of Belgium and France, leading Britain to declare war. Trench warfare developed on the Western Front. Since 1915, the sinking of the Lusitania by a German U-boat brought the US closer to involvement. Mu 16, major battles like Verdun and the Somme resulted in massive casualties with little territorial gain. On 1917, Russia exited the war after the Bolshevik Revolution, while the United States entered following German unrestricted submarine warfare. Sign 18, the Allies launched successful offensives that pushed the Central powers to the brink of collapse. Consequences. 1. Casualties. Over 16 million deaths, both military and civilian, and 21 million wounded. 2. Economic impact. Many economies were devastated and heavy reparations were imposed on Germany. 3. Political changes. The Austro-Hungarian, Ottoman, German, and Russian empires collapsed. 3. New nations emerged, particularly in Eastern Europe. 4. Treaty of Versailles 1919 officially ended the war, imposing harsh penalties on Germany, which sowed the seeds for World War II. 5. Social shifts. Women entered the workforce in large numbers, laying the groundwork for future social change. World War I reshaped the world in profound ways, setting the stage for both the Second World War and the modern era. If you'd like more details about specific battles, nations' roles, or aftermath, feel free to ask.